This is WSOC TV. I'm Ashley Green speaking to you from the WSOC TV Weather Center. We are receiving reports of a large violent tornado ripping through the Charlotte metro area at this time. Dr. Radar indicated that this tornado is moving east at around 20 miles per hour. We now go live to our reporter John Sanders, who is watching this unfold. John, can you hear me?
I'm currently sheltered inside a hotel building near the Charlotte Metro, but when I see this tornado is literally destroying everything in its path, it is not stopping. This thing is an absolute monster, and it's really breaking my heart to unfold my hometown. There's the wind flying in the air, glass being shattered, vehicles being torn apart, power flashes getting seen. This is awful. It really is.
And to add to what you just said, we have reports of gas leaks in the downtown area. UNC Charlotte is in the direct path to this tornado. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has already labeled this warning as a tornado emergency. That is something that you do not see every day, especially in these parts of North Carolina. Oh God. John?
Yes, Ashley? What is it?
I don't want to make you scared or anything, but that tornado is headed right for your location.
What?
Yeah? I think you better get out of here as quickly as possible. This isn't good at all.
Oh, God. Yeah, you're right. I think we can go closer than I think.
Hurry, John! Hurry! Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to go off the air. This is bad.